Hi, my name is Brad Donovan, and I'm running for the John Martin seat on the North Carolina Court of Appeals. I wanted to take this opportunity to give you at least my opinion of why I think you should vote for me. There are 19 people running for this seat, and the difficulty is, I think, separating one from the other 18. That's my goal here. Basically, I think two main reasons. First, I have the experience. I spent 8 years on the staff counsel of the North Carolina Court of Appeals, during which time I wrote over 600 proposed opinions for the court, given the way that they shuffled the panels of judges. Over that period of time, I wrote for every single judge on the court. I've had over between 2,000 and 3,000 cases assigned to me. I've written over 700 opinions for the commission. For the past 3 years, I have been one of two deputy commissioners that hear tort claims against the state, what we call special sets. They're tort claims against the state and the more complicated workers' compensation cases that are look like they're going to take more than half a day to hear. I know how to write these opinions. I know how the court works. I know how to take the facts of a case and apply them to the applicable law. I have a reputation for fairness and impartiality. And while I don't think that necessarily sets me apart from any of the others, I do have the actual judicial experience and writing experience that does. Reason number two, I think one of the biggest problems facing the judiciary today is the public perception that judges are being elected with an agenda, that they are making their decisions sometimes even, at least not, maybe not completely, but at least in part, before they even hear a case, based on their personal beliefs or their perceived debts that they may owe people around them. I have been a licensed attorney in North Carolina for 25 years. During that time, every single day I've spent in the service of the people of North Carolina. I am a registered independent. I have no political parties looking over my shoulder. I have no former partners looking over my shoulder or expecting a favorable decision. I have no former clients that feel like they may have an in. And while I'm not suggesting that this is the case, I think the public perception is clear. I read about it in the newspaper every day, as I'm sure you do as well. I think that this is an opportunity for you to elect somebody who has no debts, there's not even a question. And I think that that is the beginning of convincing the people of this state that their judiciary is a place where they can go and have their claims heard, seriously considered, and have the applicable law applied to their case. I think that that is the most important reason that I'm running in this election. As I said, there are 19 people running for this position, and I hope that I have given you at least some thought as to why I should be a little bit separate from the rest of the crowd. What I'm hoping that you will do is, first of all, vote. Second of all, if you are one of the people that everybody approaches come election and says, who are these judges, who should I vote for? I hope you will recommend my name. And I hope that you will consider spreading the word. With this many people, I think that who gets the word out is who has the best chance of winning. And I'm counting on the people that are looking at this video and are reviewing my qualifications to recognize that I am the best candidate for the job, and that they will tell everyone they know, and hopefully then they will tell everyone they know. And that is how this election is going to be won. I thank you for your support. And I hope to serve you for the next 8 years as a judge on the North Carolina Court of Appeals.